Hey guys, it's your girl One Love Diva coming at you with another Nature Valley Granola Cup. This one is the peanut butter chocolate cup. The last one we had was an almond pecan. This is peanut butter. Peanut butter chocolate. This is what it looked like. Now I'm just gonna open it up. Make sure you can see everything. And again, guys, I got this from my local 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven. And I went to the store the other day too. Didn't even see these. I went to like Kroger's and Terry's. I went to the 99-cent store. Didn't see them. I got a lot of stuff to show you guys from the 99-cent store. So, this is what the bottom looks like. It's chocolate. Good chocolate, might I add. Tastes good to me anyway, and that's the top of it. Oh, let's see if we can do a thumbnail. Smell good, smell peanut buttery. It smells like a peanut butter cookie. Jesus, come on out. Come on out. Y'all, it's 200 calories though. 200 calories. It's worth every bite if you ask me. If you like peanut butter, you'll love it. But it's good. Go ahead and get your bite. Just don't bite my nail. So good, y'all. This, I like this better than the almond. I like this flavor way better, so I would definitely be buying these again. Guys, well, I'm thinking about it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified. I definitely appreciate it. It's not going to be a long video, guys, because I just want y'all to know this is life. Okay? It's life. I'm going to let y'all go so I can enjoy the rest of this little piece of Jesus to myself. But I love y'all to the moon. Thank you for watching this review. I definitely appreciate it. Bye, guys.